In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Dropbox on web. By the end, you'll be comfortable opening Dropbox in your browser, signing in the right way for your account, and navigating your files, uploading content, and finding exactly what you need. First, open your preferred web browser. Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or Edge all work well. In the address bar at the very top, type dropbox.com and press enter. Go directly to the URL rather than relying on search results so you know you're on the official site. When the page loads, you should see the familiar Dropbox homepage. If your browser suggests autofill, make sure it's taking you to the correct address before proceeding. Next, it's time to log in. Look toward the top right corner of the page for the sign in or login button and click it. You'll see a few ways to access your account. If you use an email and password, enter the same email address you used when creating your account and your password carefully. Watch out for caps lock and any accidental spaces. If you need it, there's a show password option on many browsers to double check what you've typed. If you originally registered using a Google account, click Continue with Google and select the correct Google profile if you have more than one. If your account is tied to Apple, choose Continue with Apple and proceed with your Apple ID. It's important to use the same method you used when you first signed up. Switching methods can accidentally create a separate account. If you can't remember your password, use the recovery option on the sign-in page and follow the prompts. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your home dashboard. This page highlights items you've recently opened or changed, which is handy for jumping back into ongoing work. To view everything in your storage, look at the left sidebar and click All Files. This opens your folders and files so you can browse and open them just like you would on your computer. To add new content, find the Upload button, usually a blue button near the top. Click it to upload files from your computer. Select the files you want, confirm, and you'll see an upload indicator. Keep the tab open until the upload completes, especially for large files, and ensure your internet connection is stable to avoid interruptions. Whenever you need to locate something quickly, use the search bar at the top. Type a file name or a keyword, and Dropbox will suggest matches as you type. If you don't see what you expect, try a different keyword or double check spelling. That's it. Open the site, sign in, and manage your files with ease. Thanks for watching.